Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Fiesta bonnet latch. First, determine if the latch is simply stuck or if the release mechanism isn't working at all. Look closely for any debris or objects that might be blocking the latch. Also, quickly check the bonnet release cable inside the car to see if it feels loose or disconnected. This initial assessment helps pinpoint the exact problem quickly. Once you've identified the issue, generously spray a penetrating lubricant like WD-40 directly onto the bonnet latch mechanism. Let it soak for a few minutes. While the lubricant works, try gently pulling the release lever inside the car while simultaneously pressing down firmly on the bonnet. This can sometimes free a sticky latch. Also, feel the tension in the release cable. It should feel firm, not slack. If the latch remains stuck, you might need to manually release it. For many Ford Fiesta models, you can access an emergency release point through the grille, often using a flathead screwdriver to manipulate the latch directly. Once open, inspect the striker plate on the bonnet. If it's misaligned, you can often loosen its bolts slightly, adjust its position, and then red-tighten them to ensure a smooth, secure closure. After making any adjustments or freeing the latch, always perform a final check. Close the bonnet firmly and listen for that satisfying, distinct click, indicating it's securely latched. To prevent future problems, make it a habit to regularly lubricate the latch mechanism, perhaps every 6 months. This simple maintenance step can save you a lot of hassle. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.